room 208 at the Hollywood Roosevelt. It's the Cabana room. You enter the room. This is the Cabana room, second floor, overlooking the pool. It's pretty basic. We've got a nice king size platform bed. Walk over here. Very pretty headboard. It goes from floor to ceiling. A couple lights. And it is very, very comfortable. Next to the bed, they have little side tables, one with an alarm clock. Lots of places to plug in your devices. And let's see, across from the bed we have, looks like a little sitting area. It's pretty clever with a little table. You've got your TV and mirror. It looks like floor to ceiling mirror here. And over here, of course, is a little bar area. Let's go take a look at that. It's a little bar area that they give you. Of course, you know, for a price, you can have anything here on this tray that you want. Bar table is a refrigerator. And again, it has just more things that you can purchase to have a good time. Over here to the left of the door is their closet. Let's go check this out. It's full of our stuff, but it gives you an idea of the size of the closet. What I do like, it does have a safe and it's lighted. So pretty cool closet. Inside the closet, look, you can purchase these fine flip-flops. 20 bucks. Here's the bathroom area. It's pretty basic, kind of small. Has one basin for the sink, large lighted mirror. Comes with like a little personal lighted mirror as well. And then area for your towels. Now, I must say, I do like this piece of artwork for some odd reason. I find it very intriguing. There's the shower. It's kind of small, but the odd thing is like the shower door is behind the door. So, if you wanted to take a shower with the door open, it's kind of hard because it blocks the way. So, you enter, and then it's got a nice shower head. Pretty cool tile. The thing I did notice this morning was the water wasn't that hot. I don't know if everybody was taking a shower at the same time, but you definitely were in no danger of burning yourself. Here are the light switches, which are kind of weird. They're not like the on off. They have like these lights that you press down. You kind of have to hold it down. That one goes off automatically. But I don't know if it's like a timer. Let's see. It's a timer, so you press the button and timer turns off the lights. Here is the sliding glass doors that lead out to the patio, which I must say, this is the best part of the room. I'll take you outside, show you what it looks like. All right, so the patio is rather small. However, the best part is it overlooks the pool. Yesterday they had music playing. Just a really cool vibe out here, real California-like. So it's fun because you can people watch, but you're hidden from everybody else. So kind of dig it.